Hey guys, in this video we'll take a look at VidReviewz. Now this is cloud-based web application guys that lets you create an automated product reviews from Amazon, eBay, AliExpress, ClickBank, JVZoo, and even Warrior Plus. And product reviews guys is a great way to make money online, and I myself making hundreds of dollars per day doing product reviews, and you can also do the same without recording your own face in front of the camera guys, without having to have any editing video editing skills, because we'll be gonna be using an automated software to do this right now. Before I'm gonna show you guys the demo of this product, how you can create this automated product reviews from those different marketplaces. Let me show you first my bonuses. That way you can get great result with build reviews, and you can get an additional value if you wanted to purchase build reviews through my link down in the description of this video, which is the first link. My bonus number one, guys, is I'm going to give you access to my YouTube ranking optimization blueprint. Now, this is exactly what I am doing to get my videos eyeballs each and every day. Now, let me show you some examples of these videos that I create using this blueprint that I'm going to show you in my bonus number one. Now, here are one of the examples right here. Now, this big video is like 2 weeks ago, and the keyword that I'm aiming for this video is how to make money with Fiverr. A lot of people creating also the same content, how to make money with Fiverr. But as you can see, guys, I've got 2 subscribers. I got 83 views right here, and the graphs is getting higher each and every day. And the reach for this video is mainly from YouTube search, right? That's one of the example. Let's take a look at another example right here. Now this one right here. Now this one is almost 1 month, almost 1 month. That's 3 weeks ago. I got 12 subscribers right here. The reach for this video is browse features and YouTube search. All right, and the graphs is getting eyeballs each and every day right here. And I got like $15 for this video without having to do anything, right? So that's the second example. Let's take a look at other example right here. Now let's take a look at one of my video now, because these are product reviews. um, these are this one right here, how to make money with Google Maps. And as you can see, guys, like it's keep getting eyeballs each and every day. I got six subscribers, guys, and it really helped my channel a lot to get eyeballs and to get subscribers each and every day. And the reach for this video is like YouTube search, and the list is go on. I can show you the more of these videos, but you get the point, right? I'm gonna show you that in my bonus number one. That way you can, when you're creating product reviews and using bid reviews, you can also use this strategy and apply this into your content. That way you can get eyeballs each and every day into your videos. That's my bonus number one. My bonus number two, guys, I'm gonna give you access to bid voice or text to speech software. Now, because inside of bid reviews, you can create videos, you can also add audio, and then you can also add text to speech. Now, VidReviewz comes with Amazon Poly uh, built-in text-to-speech software, but this is just an additional software if you wanted to choose a different accent, different language. Then it's gonna really help you guys a lot, right? That's my bonus number two. My bonus number three, guys, is I'm gonna give you access to VidAmazon. Now, this is a cloud-based web application as well that lets you create an automated product reviews on Amazon, specifically on Amazon. Bonus number four, guys, I'm gonna give you access to Viral Vidly. Bonus number five is I'm gonna give you access to Traffic Booster. Bonus number six is I'm gonna give you access to Messenger Auto Reply. Bonus number seven, I'm gonna give you access to 100 plus product bonus bundle. Now this comes with affiliate marketing training, PLR products, WordPress plugins, Facebook marketing, YouTube marketing. There are tons of products that you can get inside of this 100 plus bonus bundle. Bonus number eight, guys, all vendor bonuses, and these are, let me show you what are those bonuses from the vendor. Alright, guys, so here are the bonuses from the vendor. Bonus number one is viral video WordPress theme. Bonus number two is viral secret expose. Bonus number three is a rapid Instagram profit. Bonus number four, modern blogging. Bonus number five, case study, 6,666, 370 YouTube views case study. Bonus number 6, how to become an social media influencer. Bonus number 7, 10,000 leads case study. Bonus number 8, personal branding blueprint. You can just pause the video if you want to, uh, to read the title of the photos. And then bonus number 9, storytelling marketing. Bonus number 10, buyer triggers. Right? So those are all of the bonuses from the burner. If you'd like to pick it up using my link down in the description of this video, and all of these bonuses, guys, you're gonna get access to this inside of your members area account. And my bonuses, guys, you're gonna get access to this inside of your Warrior Plus account. All right. Now the headline says 3-click software makes us $500 per day posting an automated product reviews from Amazon, eBay, AliExpress, ClickBank, GV. So now you can rate, automated product reviews from these different marketplaces. I'm gonna show you that later in this video. And you can make like, more than this, you can make less than this. That depends on the traffic, guys, because I myself, really making money, hundreds of dollars per day making products review, and you can also do that as well as long as you take action. Alright guys, let me show you around how to create product reviews with VidReviewz, and it's super easy. You don't need to have any technical skills or video editing skills. Now just basically click on video creator and click on creator right here. Now there are three ways to create video, but first let me show you how to create videos from creator, video editor. Just click on this, and this is where we put in the title. Let's say pillow. So you wanted to create product reviews, which is product is pillow, and then click on next. And this is where you select which platform you wanted to, you know to fetch those reviews. So let's say Amazon, eBay, AliExpress, others. You can also use ClickBank, JVZ, or Warrior Plus if you wanted to do that. But in this case, we want to choose Amazon right here, and then this is where you put your URL or product URL, and then click on Get Reviews right here, and it will automatically fetch all those reviews from Amazon. As you can see, 13 reviews found right here. Click on OK, click on Next now, and then you're gonna see all these reviews from Amazon that the software automatically fetch for us, right? And you'll be able to select which one you would like to use in your video. Let's say you wanted to use that one, you wanted to use that one. But basically, guys, you need to read the reviews. That way you know exactly what your videos um, looks like and what's the message of your video, right? So you need to select, uh, so once you've selected all the reviews that you wanted to include in your video, then what you need to do now is click on next, and then this is where you customize the video if you wanted to customize the video. Now as you can see, this is like 15 seconds, 15 seconds, 15 seconds, 15 seconds, and you can add like typography, you can add elements, right? Transitions, you can also add transitions, you can delete things, you can add intro, outro right here, you can add new slide or add text right here, you can also add music right here. If you wanted to add a voiceover, you can also do that using a text-to-speech engine right here. Now you can use Amazon Polly, and you choose a voice that you wanted to use right here. Click on apply. Right, and that voice will be applied now. And then this call to action automatically full at the end of the video, but you don't have to worry about that. And then yeah, that's you can add typography. If you wanted to add music right here, you can also do that. You can also add background image right here if you wanted to do that, right? And yeah, you can also add music if you wanted to do that. You can upload the music right here. You can also do that, right? now now once you're happy with all those changes, guys, now click on submit right here, and it's all good. Please submit, please confirm this form to submit, then just click on submit, and it will automatically um, create that video for you. As you can see, I've already created a video right here, and the second one is in process, and this is your video right here. Once this video is completed, then this video will be processed, and you'll be able to download that video right here. You can also view that video right here, right?
It's a gassy smell, most often associated.
And then you can uh,
Click the link in description below for more details.
yeah, something like that, and just download this video, download this on your computer, and upload this on YouTube and rank those videos using my, you know, YouTube ranking optimization blueprint, which is my bonus number one, right? This can really help you guys a lot, right? Now, you can also create videos from your local computer if you wanted to. If you have videos from your local computer, you can also use this as a video editor. So that way you can also trim your videos. You can add intro, outro, and you can add call to actions to your videos, right? You can also use this feature right here, guys, which is search product. This will allow you to search automatically products inside of video reviews. So let's say you wanted to choose Amazon right here, and then choose what product you wanted to create video. Then let's say Babe, you wanted to create product reviews from Babe. This is gonna allow you to select Babe's products right here. Let's say you wanted to choose this one right here. Click on this, and it's gonna allow you to create that video. So let's say you want to create Babe right here. Click on next, and then it will automatically pull out this product URL, and click on get reviews right here, and it will automatically pull out those product reviews from Amazon. Then click on next, and then it's going to allow you to choose which reviews you wanted to use, and click on choose that one, and then basically click on next right here, and voila, it will automatically create this video for you. You can customize this one, you can customize this text right here. Everything's customizable, guys, and then you can add voiceover right here using Amazon Foley. Choose the text that you want, click on apply right here, and then it will automatically apply, and then go back and then click on submit, and then click on submit right here, and it will automatically create that video for you, right? Yeah, so that's super easy, guys. It's super, you don't need to have any technical skills or video editing skills to use this amazing software. Now if you wanted to upgrade your account, there are also some upgrades right here. OTO number one, mask creator. Let me show you some upgrades if you wanted to upgrade your account. Now OTO number one is a pro version. This costs you $37. OTO number two is ECO edition, which costs you $47. OTO number three, Facebook and IG edition, $47. OTO number four is reseller edition, $197. OTO number five is Delta. Not sure what that is, but those are the upsells if you wanted to upsells upgrade your account, right? And there's a training right here, guys, showing you exactly how to use this software. They're gonna show you exactly step-by-step process how to use this editor, how to create campaign from scratch. um, Basically everything you need to know about this software, they're gonna include that in this video training right here, right? So yeah, I think that would be in this video, guys. If you would like to pick it up using my link down in the description of this video, which is the first link, this will take you to a sales page that looks something like this, where you can learn more about video reviews. And I want you guys to watch this video right here, read the information on the sales page. That way you can have better understanding on how this software can really help you guys out when it comes to creating product reviews and making money online. And don't worry about your investment, guys, because this comes with 30 days money back guarantee, and this is only like $16. If you don't like the product, just refund your money, and you still be able to get access to all of my bonuses completely free of charge. This document is waiting for you inside of your Warren Plus account, and you're gonna get instant access to this document after your purchase of VidReviewz. All right. So I think that would be in this video, guys. I cannot read this information of the sales page because this is a really lengthy sales page. You can read the information of the sales page in your own time. That way you can have better understanding how this product works. Alright, guys, thanks so much for watching this review, and I hope to see you in my next review video. Bye. Love you. Bye.